So I'm not sure if any of my angelfish made it. I noticed they were lessening in numbers every day, so I don't know if the parents just took care of that or what, but I came in this afternoon after work and noticed that my polar whites had been, I'm sorry, my snow whites had been acting kind of defensive. And when I looked at the bottom, there was a lot of fluff going on, and I just thought, well, that was just debris because these guys eat and have all kinds of detritus floating around. But I noticed that there are several little white fish, little fry floating around that I'm assuming that mother right there that's being very defensive has given birth to. I guess they laid eggs sometime, and there are a good 30 or 40 of these little white fry floating around. And I am surprised because I haven't seen any mating, but they do it when I'm not here. And like I said, I guess these are, like I said, the Snow Whites. If they're the polar blues, that'd be fine too. I'd be happy with that. So I did get rid of about 7 of my 12 red parrots, and that may have been the trigger that allowed them to start breeding. But I will tell you later when I see how many make it.